Hey guys, my name is Luis and I'm going to do an unboxing of the MetroPCS Samsung Galaxy S5. This phone was released April 18th, 2014. So starting off on the front, you just have Samsung Galaxy S5 branding. On the back of that, you do have a big number 5. Moving on to the back, you do have some specs, which are 4G LTE capable, smart remote, which is a universal remote control. So this phone does have an IR blaster. It has a heart rate monitor for S Health. Android operating system 4.4.2. On the top right, you have MetroPCS branding. This is the 16GB model. This one has the 5.1 Full HD Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 801 processor, clocked at 2.5 GHz quad-core processor, 16 megapixel rear-facing camera. On the front, you have a 2 megapixel camera. This phone records in Full HD. Alright, let's get into it. Taking off the front sleeve. You have your phone. You have your MetroPCS SIM card. Underneath that, you have your quick start guide. On the back, you have your safety and warranty guide. You have your earbuds. Extra set of ear tips. Next, you have your Samsung wall adapter. You have your Samsung 2800 mAh battery. Under that, you have your Samsung 3.0 micro USB charging cable. And that's pretty much it for the box. Alright, let's get this phone naked. Let's take off this back plastic off. Yes. There you have the back of the phone, the front, the sides, the top, the bottom. Right here is you guys' first boot. Samsung Galaxy S5, powered by Android. MetroPCS wireless for all. And there you have it. I'll be back. So yeah guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S5. I set it up. I haven't changed any settings so far. On the left, you do have this magazine. So it does have the Samsung magazine, which none of the other Samsung Galaxy devices have. So I'm going to show you guys some of the pre-installed apps. Pause the video for yourself and look at the apps. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This has been an unboxing and an overview of the MetroPCS Samsung Galaxy S5. Make sure to like, comment, favorite, subscribe. And yeah, peace.